Have you been wondering how to access different voices in Balabolka? Well, that is what we are going to learn in this video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Without wasting much time, let's jump into this video. When we launch the Balabolka software, we only get access to 2 voices made by Microsoft, but there are over 100 of voices provided in the software. Let's see how we will access that. So first thing is to click on Tool tab on the menu bar in the Balabolka software. Secondly, choose from the drop-down list online TTS services as shown. Next thing to do is to type the text you want to turn to speech in the text area. Below the workspace, hit Browse to select the destination you would want your file to be created and the file name you prefer. For me, I will be selecting my desktop. If you want to listen to the audio right after it has been created, check the play audio file when done. Now, time to choose the voice we want. I prefer the IBM Watson, so I'm going for that one. Obviously you can see many voices with different language accent which are usable, so I will just select any random voice. Then hit save. Boom, your file is completely created. Let's hear it out.
How do I get this new voices?
Consider subscribing if this video was helpful, and please leave a like if you like the video. Thank you and see you in the next video.